What's up, Crypto fam? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Before I begin this video, I want to say that I really appreciate your interaction and your positive engagement on my videos. I really appreciate that. If you are interested in crypto and blockchain use in general, and also project reviews, cool DeFi hidden gems, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I also have a Telegram channel and a Twitter account that you will find down in the description of the video, so check that out as well. In this video, I brought another project for you guys to check out with a wallet that has high security standards. So if you want to find out what this project is and you want the details, make sure to watch this video to the end and you will find basically everything you need to know. Before though, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research so you can be responsible for your earnings and your losses. Now, without further ado, let me show you what this project is. So here we are, guys, on the official website page of this project, and as you guys can see with me here, it is called CryptoUnity and is intended to unite between the crypto community members worldwide, and it is supposed to be a first step or an all-inclusive platform for beginners to crypto traders, advanced crypto traders worldwide. This platform is the first crypto exchange that offers education for an easy start and a cold wallet to keep your funds secure. So besides being a platform where beginners to advanced crypto users or crypto traders can trade, this platform also provides a cold or a hard storage for you guys to keep your funds secure and out of centralized exchanges where they are vulnerable in case exchanges fall apart. And we already saw this case with FTX. A lot of people were victimized, a lot of people lost huge amounts of money due to this situation. So CryptoUnity here brings the solution of offering a platform where you guys can trade, but also at the same time having you guys or offering you guys the ability to store your money, the money that you don't use for trading, of course, the money that you just want to save up in your cold storage. So all in just one platform and all with CryptoUnity. By the way, guys, I'm gonna leave all the links down relevant to this project down in the description of the video, so make sure to check it out. For now, I'm gonna tour you down, or I'm gonna give you a tour into what their website looks like, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour into the features of this project and what this exchange has to offer to you guys. So here we have the tokenomics that you can check, of course, and here you can check the team that is fully doxed, and this is where you can find the latest news on CryptoUnity. This is, of course, their white paper where you will find basically all the information you need. Their white paper, as you guys can see with me, has a maximum of 41 pages, which gives you guys the ability or the opportunity to learn everything you need to know about this particular project and this exchange. So go ahead, guys, give it a try and check it out. Of course, I always encourage you guys to check the white paper of any project or any exchange. That's where you will find all the information you need. So here we have the table of content, so you will find basically all the articles categorized in this table of content. So go ahead, guys, check it out. And in here, guys, you will find their airdrop, and if you click on it, it'll give you more description and more details on their airdrop and the rewards that you guys can earn with their airdrop. And here is their BAP program, of course, that you can earn from as well. Go ahead, guys, pause the video and learn and study all this information. I don't want to make this video boring and go through everything, so I'm just showing you guys the highlights. Again, you're gonna find all the links down in the description of the video. Feel free to check it out or feel free to pause the video. This BAP program is specialized to affiliate partner program that in which influencers or people can earn rewards and earn money by their own referral links. In here, of course, you will find their pre-sale, which is good. I'm bringing this project to you guys as early as possible, so it's basically still a hidden gem. Their pre-sale starts in just 19 days on February 18th 2023 at 1 p.m. UTC +1, and it'll take place via their website. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys their social media that you can join and follow especially their Twitter and Telegram, so you can be notified whenever this project has something to offer to you guys, especially their pre-sale, which is supposed to be the biggest pre-sale yet. So we have all this information down here, so make sure to give that a read as well and a study, and this is where you can access the whitelist. As you guys can see with me here, the whitelist competition has 2,000 spots, and this is a greater time for you guys. This couldn't have been more a better timing for you guys to join in with the pre-sale, of course, and with the whitelist as well. So make sure to be qualified for their whitelist. You will find all the description and all the details regarding the whitelist down here, so make sure to check that as well. I'm also happy to let you know, guys, that this exchange or this platform is completely audited and KYC, or what is known by Know Your Customer, by CertiK. So this platform or this project completely passed the CertiK audit, which is good to know. Of course, it's always good to know that a project that you will divide or that you will devote your attention to, or your assets or your money into, has completely been audited. And this is, guys, where you will find basically all their social media. They're on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, LinkedIn, and Reddit, and TikTok as well. And this is their Medium account. I'm gonna show you guys just the most relevant social media that you guys can join, which is Twitter and Telegram. So here we have their Telegram here. They have more than 3,000 members, which is good. So you can just click on join the group and you will be notified whenever this project has something to offer to you guys. And I recommend that you do that and chat with other users and get to see their experience with CryptoUnity. This is, of course, their Twitter as well, which has more than 3,000 followers as well. They have different style of content here, so give them a follow on Twitter as well, so you can be regularly updated on CryptoUnity. The mission that this platform or that CryptoUnity needs or sees is the ability or the need to create a beginner user-friendly crypto exchange with all the essential elements that will contribute to a better user experience, and the whole platform experience will be elevated with traveling physical exchange. So this platform aims specifically for beginners that are just getting into crypto and that are finding a hard time navigating through complicated exchanges or complicated projects. So this platform offers or provides a user-friendly, a simple one that will help you guys understand crypto all the way. They also have their mobile application that contains key features to really ensure an effortless first interaction. So these are basically the features of their mobile app. Go ahead, check that out. And I'm also happy to let you know, guys, that this platform or CryptoUnity takes its security standards to the highest or to the maximum levels, so you can be safe, so you can be rest assured when you are using this platform. Their most iconic features are that they are an NFT marketplace where you can create, buy, or sell different types of NFTs. They are also a crypto research platform where you can participate in pre-sales of upcoming projects, and you can also trade with cryptocurrencies in this using this feature as well. Here we have their roadmap, of course, that I recommend that you check out so you can understand the events or the visions or the goals or everything that this project went through from the moment it hit the ground. Down here you will find their partners, of course, which will help you guys get a better understanding of what this project intentions are towards crypto biggest blockbusters. And for you guys who are afraid of missing out on this hidden gem, you can just click on this, which will remind you on the pre-sale whitelist, which will give you the ability, the spot to get in to this project or to this platform as soon as possible, and you can earn money and get rewarded as this project and as the community of this project grows on. So as I said, guys, definitely give them a follow on Twitter and definitely join their Telegram group and all their other social media as well. Check their Facebook and their Instagram and give them a follow on YouTube as well. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big like and please let me know what you think about this project down in the comments section of the video. Thanks again for watching this video to the end, and I hope I catch you on the next.